Welcome to the ultimate step-by-step guide to onion farming. Every successful harvest begins right here with stage 1, soil preparation. First, we focus on site selection and thorough soil testing to understand its exact needs. Next, it's time for tilling the soil deeply to create a loose, well-aerated environment. We then structure the field by creating precise furrows for organized planting. To boost fertility, we enrich the ground by adding high-quality organic matter, ensuring a balanced mix of essential nutrients. Finally, we focus on refining the seedbed, smoothing the surface, and ensuring excellent drainage across the field. Preparing your soil properly today is the foundational step that sets up your onion seeds for massive growth and a spectacular future harvest. Welcome to stage 2, planting. Now it's time to sow your onion sets or seeds into nutrient-rich, well-prepared soil. Creating clean, structured rows is key to organizing your field. Make sure to keep a proper spacing of 4 to 6 inches apart and always maintain the ideal planting depth. This precise placement ensures every single onion has enough space to expand, build strong roots, and grow to its maximum potential. Watering. Onions need optimal hydration management to grow crisp and healthy. From precise watering cans to massive fields, consistent soil moisture is the ultimate key. Using root zone irrigation precision delivers water exactly where it's needed most. Smart sensors and modern drip systems ensure weather-adjusted scheduling for a perfect harvest. Welcome to stage 4, growth. This is where foliar development and field maintenance become critical to maximize foliage mass. Watching the roots spread and the green shoots burst through the soil is a direct result of a balanced nutrient supply and targeted irrigation. To ensure strong, healthy plants, integrated pest management and regular field check-ins are essential. Protecting the soil with mulch keeps the roots safe, allowing your onion crop to thrive and build a powerful foundation for a spectacular harvest. Welcome to stage 5, bulb formation. This critical phase is entirely triggered by day length, where the plant's energy shifts directly to the bulb. Notice how leaf production reduces as foliage development focuses right at the base. The roots continue to support this rapid swelling underground. With a clear view of the soil profile, you can see these beautiful layers maturity into solid, high-quality onions. Welcome to stage 6, maturity. This is the moment where the bulbs finally reach their full size and complete physiological maturity. You will notice the tops naturally drying and bending over, signaling that the plant is preparing for harvest. Looking closely at the rows, the onions are beautifully developed, strong, and fully mature. The fields are now completely ready, and it is time to gather a perfect and successful harvest. Welcome to stage 7, harvest. It's finally time to collect the rewards. First, gently loosen the soil around the bulbs with a fork to avoid any damage, then carefully lift the onions by hand. Once harvested, we trim the roots and foliage, followed by careful sorting and grading to select the highest quality. Gathering these beautiful, mature onions marks a successful end to the growing cycle, ready for the next step. Welcome to stage 8, storage, the final step to protect your hard work. First, we cure the onions by letting them dry completely under proper air ventilation. To maximize shelf life, it is essential to ensure a clean environment, checking regularly for any pests or rot. Keep your harvest in optimal temperature and humidity conditions, and always avoid direct sunlight. By following these steps, your onions will stay fresh, solid, and ready for the market or your kitchen for months to come.